Hi there, and for this video, we're going to show you how to find and copy your UID on the Bitget Mobile App. And it's pretty straightforward. Once you log in, this is your landing page over at Bitget. And while on the PC, it's pretty simple because all you have to do is look to the top right. But here on the mobile app, what you actually have to do is go to the top left and tap on this profile icon right here. Once here, you can see on the top your username, and this is your UID, and you can take it from here, but the easier method is to tap on this arrow here, and once here, you can see your UID. And because it has the easy copy icon, you simply have to tap on that and the user ID is copied. You can paste it over to an internal transfer perhaps, or whatever transaction requires the UID. Now, I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please leave a like, maybe subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any of our new videos. Thank you for watching and see you again next time.